When was the last time you cleaned the sides of your oven and behind it? Let me show you how to clean the greasy sides of your oven with very little effort. I want to show you in real time how quickly Dawn Power Wash works. So place a garbage bag down because I like using a brush to knock down any of that grease, loose debris. Just toss it down on the garbage bag. It makes it easier for you to clean up after the fact. Again, you don't have to do that. I just think it's a nice touch. So now take the Dawn Power Wash and thoroughly spray the entire thing. The thing with chemicals is they need time to work. So dwell time in the cleaning industry, as we call it, simply means giving the product time to work. So a degreaser especially, grease takes a long time to scrub. Do you want to do the scrubbing or do you want the chemicals to do the loosening up? The choice is yours. As I explained, I want to show you how to do this with very little effort. So this is a real-time video. Give it some dwell time. Now take a cloth with warm water and simply wipe it down. Look how little effort it takes. It simply wipes the grease off. Just do this a few times and then take a dry cotton cloth or microfiber cloth, whatever you prefer, and buff out the entire thing. That is all it takes. Nice and simple. Now as for this part, I like to take a putty knife, you can use a kitchen knife, whatever, place a cloth over it, spray a little solution on the cloth, and simply wipe it all out. Look how easily that works. Now, if you have grease on the sides of your oven, odds are the walls are also going to have it. If the grease is a little more stubborn, you can use a sponge as well. Final step, sweep and mop.